Hello YouTube, welcome to Fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix and clean a little giant condensation pump. So let's get started. A few days ago, the pump started making a lot of noise and a lot of vibration while pumping out the water. Okay, so before we do anything, we're just gonna make sure that the pump is working properly and the micro switch is working properly. So we have a screw over here and simply take off the cover like this. So this is the inside of the pump. You got the micro switch and you have the wiring, and you can press over here and start the pump manually. Like this, we're gonna check that the pump is working fine and nothing is going wrong with it. So you simply just press down like this, and the pump is gonna start manually. So I'm gonna force it again and put some water manually. And you're gonna see over here it's coming up slowly. It's about to start now. There you go. As you guys can see, the noise only comes out when the water comes in from the condensation, not when I start it manually. And you can see that there's a lot of debris that they're stuck over here, so pretty sure that the valve is completely dirty. All right, so it's almost out, so we're just gonna put it here for now. All right, so now I'm gonna remove the valve and drain the tube. So as you guys can see, the water was very dirty. There's a lot of debris inside, but you hear the small ball shaking inside. So now what are we gonna do? You see here, there's the edge. You simply remove like this. And this is it right here. So we're gonna clean it properly and make sure nothing is blocking. You could also use a Q-tip. Make sure to clean the inside completely. Now we're gonna put everything back together and close it, and ready to be installed. All right, so the first thing to do is to cut the power. As you see, I'm having here, the power is on still, so I'm gonna cut it. All right, so now that the power is off, we can start removing the wires. All what we need to do is to remove the black, blue, and green, and then we're gonna remove the micro switch from here. I'll show you how. Then you're gonna push here and lift up and gently remove the micro switch like this, and you're gonna free the wires. And there you go. All right guys, and now we're gonna open it and see what's inside. As you guys can see over here, you can pull like this out, and it's gonna open this way, and then there you go. Oh my god, you guys, So look at the bottom, it's so slimy. Look at the dirt. So now I'm gonna clean it properly and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have 4 screws. So I'm gonna remove them to have more access and to be able to wash the box properly. So now, as you can see, now we can wash this properly and it's gonna be easier and faster. Alright guys, after cleaning everything, all the parts, I forgot to mention that you can remove this part over here by simply just remove the pin like this. So it's gonna make it easier for you to clean. Simply put it back and put back the pin. There we go. Now we're gonna put it all together. Install motor. Alright, so now it's time to put everything back together, the wiring. The micro switch, it's in its place, and now I'm gonna put the black wire back, the blue one, and the ground. There you go, all the wires are in their place. So now it's time to put the power back on. Everything's working fine. So now we're gonna add the water and see what it's gonna do. Alright guys, as you can see, the pump is working properly now. No noise, no vibration. That tells me that the problem was inside the motor, inside the impeller. The huge piece in the bottom, that's the one that was clogged probably somewhere. It was making a lot of vibration. So it's very important to clean the valve over here, and from time to time, like this one has been 10 years I haven't cleaned it, so to clean the bottom, and it's gonna work properly. Once you test the motor and the micro switch, everything's working fine, that tells you the problem is just cleaning. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, and we'll see you next time.